What is happening, everybody? I am Christian with the game division here at Hackingtons Code School for Kids, and I am super excited to talk to you about something that I wish existed when I was a kid. It's called Unity, and let me tell you why I love it. For me, as a game designer, I love coming up with new ideas for games and mechanics and systems and testing them out. I have books full of these ideas, and with Unity, I can open this up, flip to a page, and start trying some of them, putting them into the game engine and seeing what happens. So I'm stoked that we offer this at Hackingtons, because when we learn Unity together, we get to see what we can come up with and create ourselves. Unity is a fully featured game engine. What that means is if someone were to say, hey, pop the hood of your game, let me see what's underneath, they would get a good look at the Unity engine. See, game engines have changed a lot since when I first remember them. In fact, the very first game engine I ever played around with was on a single floppy disk, and it was called ZZT. And I remember explicitly because I didn't ever have a PC up to that point, so this idea of like typing commands was completely foreign. Long story short, what was great about it for me as a designer was that it allowed for me for once to actually play around with the game mechanics inside a game rather than have to create my own game from the ground up. Oh, fun fact, this same company that made ZZT went on to make Fortnite. You may be wondering, how is Unity any different than, say, Scratch or Roblox? Unity lets you make your games your way, in your style, and to release on hardware of your choosing. Think of Unity as a way for you to take your game idea and to actually realize it and put it somewhere where you want it to. It is the software that professionals are using today to make their games. If you want to be a game designer, there is nothing preventing you from creating whatever playstyle you imagine, from fast-paced action games to turn-based strategies or story-based role-playing games. Now, if you're an artist whose visual style has never been seen in games before, you can showcase it with Unity. It supports everything you want to do in 2D or 3D art styles and has advanced features for creating amazing lighting and shader details. So if you're up for the challenge and you think that making games is as fun as I do, then I invite you to come try Unity with us and see what we can do together.